Maraming salamat.
Ayan, Madam Amy.
Ito po ang napanood ng buong bansa. At ang tanging tanong, bakit natin isinuko ang isang kapwang Pilipino?
Ayan, patunayan mo, Madam Amy, na
may ng iba.
pagtanggol mo si Tatay Digong.
O di kaya, ang iyong lolo pa.
Huwag kang one-sided.
Kinakalagkat palabas ng inyong tahanan, manonood ka ba na parang wala lang? Ganito ang nangyari ngayon. Isinuko natin si Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa dayuhan na para bang wala siyang sariling bayan.
Ayan, Madam Amy.
Hindi na natin kayang humusga sa sarili nating tahanan.
Ayun,
Here we
tama.
are watching as a fellow Filipino, a leader, a father, a grandfather,
Mm.
a man who served this country is taken not by his own people, but by outsiders who claim the right to judge him. Sabi nila, batas ang dapat manaig. Tama. But whose law? Ours or theirs?
Yes.
When did the Philippines become a province of the Hague?
Aywa.
Kaya nilo itong gawin sa isang dating Pangulo.
We support President Digong, OFW Saudi
If
Arabia.
they can march into our house and take one of our own, what stops them from doing it again and again? To you, to me, to any of us.
Yes.
What protection can we guarantee our OFWs eking out a living overseas? This is bigger than Duterte. This is about our dignity as Filipinos. Ngayon pa lang ito nangyari sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Pero paano kung mauulit? Paano kung sa susunod, ibang Pilipino naman?
Naman.
Kinalagkat papalabas. The Senate will seek answers, and if there is indeed wrongdoing, we will make certain to put up safeguards so this never happens again. We are not here to fight, least of all, to fight each other. We are here to find the truth. Because a country that does not demand answers will always be at the mercy of those who dictate the questions.
Correct.
Justisyang ipinapataw ng dayuhan ay hindi justisya. Ito ay pang-aalipin. Ito ay pagkontrol. At mga kababayan ko, hindi tayo alipin. Tayo ay Pilipino. At kung Pilipino ka, hindi mo kailanman isusuko ang iyong kapwa.
Correct. Tama.
Hindi mo isusuko ang iyong pagiging Pilipino.
Ayun.
We call on Senator Bongo, who also has a preliminary statement.